the road again. I can't wait to get on the road again. What up, squad? We out in the world. We're nomad. We're on our nomad bullshit again. We're currently somewhere in between Houston, Texas, and Denver, Colorado. We're on a mission. We've got 3 e-bikes, and we got 2 Segway X260s and a Talaria, and we are delivering them to a, let's just say, a high-profile client out in Denver. So we're getting paid for this trip, so our diesel is getting paid, and we're also our time. So it's actually a little, it's a financially neutral mission, but I'm just glad to be on the road again, in the rig, the white Rhino, and on the open road with my bike and nothing. Just my bike and Metallica playing super loud. What up, nomads? We outside. Like really outside. We are far away from the nest, which it's hard to say what the nest even is. We're in Oklahoma. We're in Shattuck, Oklahoma, and we're in the middle of a mission. We've got our bike, and then we've got, what the heck is that? What the heck is that? What the heck is that? We're a delivery boy. We're on our way to deliver these 3 bikes, 2 Segways, and a Talaria to Denver. These are for a very high profile client. The pink and the blue one, I don't want to say. I can't say who they're for. Nancy Pelosi. But we are, we're halfway there. We're in a town called Shattuck, and we are about to meet up with a very interesting man with a very interesting mission. It's currently 8 a.m. and I am so far out here. I drove an hour and a half out of the way to come to this little town that has a windmill museum. But yeah, I came out here because we were about to meet up with Colorado Caddy, a man who is so devoted to the Austin Mega Ride that he decided to come here on a Sur Ron. Road tripping on a Sur Ron. Ooh, I can't believe I'm saying this, but I'm a little cold. What's up, bro?
Hey, stupid ass question for you.
What's up?
You think this will be good? This chain being this loose?
I mean, it's not gonna come off, but
I think it should be good.
yeah, just be chill with the wheelies. Wow, is that your self-defense?
Yeah.
Have you had any weird interactions with like motorists or anything?
Not motorists, but I've got chased by several dogs.
Oh, okay.
I realized in the country they don't like chain their dogs up, so
yeah,
they just come running onto the street. That part's been pretty crazy. Sorry, I'm fucking...
No, I want to see it. I want to see your process.
So this has basically been it every day, dude. It's harder when I camp.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, it's getting everything tore down every day. Getting it put back on the bike so I can go through it all and see what I lost, if I lost anything. Shit like that. I've never done anything like this before, so like...
Nobody has.
Trying to figure it out is crazy, bro.
I gotta say, man, I was driving all day yesterday.
Yeah.
Going 80 miles an hour. and I drove at least 8-9 hours.
Oh yeah.
And I was like, man, this is far.
Yeah, it's hella far.
You have a long ways to go. Are you more than halfway? You're about halfway, right?
I'm about halfway now, yes.
Wow.
About halfway now. The only thing, if anything, that's going to slow me down, again, like I said, is tonight I might end up taking, I might do a smaller day today, like 70, 80 miles.
Yeah.
Just to give my back a bit of a break. Because carrying that pack is starting to get a little painful.
Yeah.
And then I got the radar back here. That's my little radar.
Yeah.
I just turn that on, bro, and it shows me whenever any cars or anything like that are approaching.
Cool.
It lets me know 100 yards before they get, like when they're 100 yards before me,
Uh-huh.
it starts flashing, and then it starts going bright yellow. It's pretty dope. Have you ever been to Denver before?
Yeah. Yeah. I've been to Denver. I've been all over Summit County. I used to snowboard a lot. My family.
I've seen that on your page. Dude, you've been doing YouTube for a long fucking time.
Well, I've only been doing it seriously for 3 years, but yeah, I've had an account for like 16 years.
That's so badass, bro.
I've never seen a Sur Ron set up like this. Like a touring bike.
It's different. It's doing the job, though.
Dude, you're doing it, man. You are really doing it.
It's fucking crazy.
You look like you're about to climb Everest.
I feel like it, dog. I had a cop stop me yesterday. He pulled up on me in Beaver.
Yeah?
And he was like, yeah. He was like, they called down and told me what you was doing, but I had to come and see it myself. I was like, what? He was like, how you riding that little bike with all that stuff on? See my throttle lock?
Oh, that's what that triangle thing is?
Yeah. Without that, bro, my fucking wrist would be killing.
Oh yeah, dude, I'd be like this.
So I went to that. I went to like holding it like this, doing all the weirdest shit I can do.
So how much range are you getting off a stock battery going 20 miles an hour?
45 miles.
Wow, that's good.
It's crazy.
And then you get more with the other one?
Yeah, I'm getting around 60 with that one. I feel like I should be getting a little bit more, but I don't think my cells are all the way balanced.
Oh, okay. Oh, you dropped your lighter. I'll get it. I'll get it.
Oh, I appreciate it. Yeah, bro, so there was, yesterday I dropped the taser and shit. Grab that motherfucker. I've been selling my soul, working all day.
We are outside, and we are with the most outside man I've ever met. Let's go into eco mode out of respect. Eco mode 5. Man, it is chilly. This is a feeling I have not felt in a long time. The feeling of a cool morning breeze. Yep. Hello. Nice.
So dope right now.
I gotta say, I doubted you when you started talking about this whole thing. I gotta admit, I didn't think.
I think everybody did.
But now that you're halfway, it's like, of course you can do it.
Yeah.
It's like people have done it on bicycles and stuff.
Right.
Like, it's just gonna take a long ass time.
You see though, like once you get going, it kind of is. It's just riding.
Yeah.
It's gonna take fucking forever.
1,000 miles, over 1,000.
1,000 miles, 1,054.
20 miles per hour.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna record you.
Okay.
I'm just gonna record you as long as I can going that way,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna just head back.
All right.
But dude, good luck on your travels. I got travels too.
So much, bro. It makes the world you stopping. All right, bro. Have a good one.
You too, brother. I'll see you in Austin.
Yes, sir.
Take off. Home point updated.
That was the man, the myth, the legend, Colorado Caddy. Godspeed, my friend. I will see you in Austin, Texas, along with everyone else that owns a Sur Ron. Absolutely insane. If he gets there, I'm doing an America tour. Parking the bus at my mom's house, and I'm going from Minnesota to New York to Florida to California to Washington. How's that sound? Now let's go load up and start our journey for the day. We're going up to Denver. We might stop in Colorado Springs because I guess they got a Sur Ron community out there. Get out of the road, squirrels. Now we're gonna dink around Denver, maybe head out towards Copper Mountain, Summit County. See if we can't get a job for the winter. I don't know, but we got about a week to spend up here before we got to start driving back. Nice little rhythm section. That's gonna be the vlog, guys. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for supporting the channel. This is where I slept last night, in front of this dope ass abandoned mechanic place. Yeah, thanks for supporting the channel. Follow Colorado Caddy on Instagram. Follow his journeys. Oh, I forgot to ask how he's getting home. He's got to have a ride. He's not Sur Ron-ing back. But maybe he is, who knows. Huge shout out to my patrons. Obviously, you guys are freaking amazing. You guys put diesel into this tank. You guys, your contributions allow me to get content for you in geographical locations all throughout the US. So I very much appreciate you guys. Check out the Austin Mega Ride and get after it. Buy all your Sur Ron parts at emotoworks.com and use promo code loophole. Get entered to win a back 8,000. Good enough isn't. Peace.